Well, welcome back to the channel, baby. This is another cover lover, and I recognize that I haven't done one in I haven't done any kind of capacity in a while. I got sick, and I was really sick for a while, and now I'm feeling much better than I have in probably a month. And so you guys are the recipient of that, or the victims of that, however you might look at it. Uh, what am I doing today? Well, I wanted to do Susan and I did on our channel. We did Iron Maiden live version of now I can't remember the song, but it's 13 minutes long. It's very, very long. And while we were going through that, I noticed the Run to the Hills being mentioned, and I love that song, and I haven't listened to it in forever. So I'm going to do Run to the Hills by Iron Maiden and the cover by Seagulls. And so let's see how you guys like this. All right.
White man came across the sea. He brought us pain and misery. He killed our tribes. He killed our creed. He took our game for his own need. We fought him hard. We fought him well. Out on the plains, we gave him hell. But when it came too much for creed, oh, will we ever be set free? Riding through those clouds and barren wastes, galloping hard on the plains, chasing the redskins back to their holes, fighting them at their own game. Murder for freedom, the stab in the back, women and children are cowards attack. Run to the hills, run for your lives. Run to the hills, run for your lives. Soldier blue in the barren wastes, hunting and killing's a game. Raping the women and wasting the men, the only good Indians are tame. Selling them whiskey and taking their gold, enslaving the young and destroying the old. Run to the hills, run for your lives. Run to the hills, run for your lives.
Okay, so let me just say that when Sue and I did our reaction, it was almost 40 years later, and of course they've aged and all, but they're still very, very good. But we also noticed that they had three guitar players, a bass, a drummer, and a lead singer. So they added a guitar player along the line somewhere. We're not sure where. But we loved it. So let's get on to the Stephen Seagulls, which always now for something completely different, right? Let me get this up here. All right, guys, let's see how they do Road to the Hills.
Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. White man came across the sea. He brought us pain and misery. He killed our tribes. He killed our creed. He took our game for his own need. We fought him hard. We fought him well. Out on the plains, we gave him hell. But when he came, too much for greed. Oh, will we ever be set free? Riding through dust close and barren wastes, galloping hard on the plains, chasing the redskins back to their holes, fighting them at their own game. Murder for freedom, stab in the back, women and children are cowards attack. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Soldier blew in their barren wastes, hunting and killing their game, raping the women, enslaving the men. The only good Indians are tame, selling the whiskey, taking their gold, enslaving the young and destroying the old. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Run to the Run for your lives. Run to the hills. Run for your lives. Run to the hills. Run for your
Wow. All right, so let me get this off here. A couple things I wanted to say before I shut it off. First of all, these guys are genius. I mean, they really are. They're entertaining. They're genius. They're great players. Especially that button accordion. I can't imagine how hard that is to play. I owned an accordion, a big, full-size accordion for a long time and never really did learn to play it. But it had keys on it, right? And the other side had buttons on it, but the buttons were basically different chords you could play. And I didn't take the time, but also I'm not sure I could have ever learned to play it correctly. And then, of course, the banjo, I have no idea how to play that. I thought it was fantastic, guys. I loved it. And I hope that you did. And it was a very cool version of that song. And of course, I'm sure they do some originals, but they do a lot of covers. And you'll see them more here on the channel. But hey man, if you like this, hit like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, share with your friends, hit the notification bell, because I've been out of the game for a while, so I'm going to try to release as many as I can in the next couple of days. Share, comment down below, and I think that's all. You guys come back and see me, okay?